Nouns that change their spots. Countable and uncountable duality. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to delve deep into a fascinating aspect of the English language. Nouns that change their meanings when they are countable and uncountable. This is one of those topics that can really take your English skills to the next level, so let's dive right in. Before we jump into the exceptions and special cases, let's quickly recap the basic definitions. Countable nouns are things we can count. For example, 1 apple, 2 apples, and so on. On the other hand, uncountable nouns, also known as mass nouns, are things we cannot count because they are often seen as wholes or mass. Examples are water, sand, and music. But the English language loves to keep us on our toes. So, what happens when certain nouns can be both countable and uncountable, but with different meanings? That's exactly what we're going to discuss. Now, let's discuss some examples of nouns that change their meanings when they're used as countable or uncountable. 1. Paper. As an uncountable noun, paper refers to the material that we write on. But as a countable noun, a paper can refer to a newspaper or a scientific research document. 2. Light. When we use light as an uncountable noun, it refers to the natural agent that makes things visible. But as a countable noun, a light can refer to a lamp or a source of illumination. 3. Experience. As an uncountable noun, experience refers to the knowledge or skill acquired over time. But when we use experience as a countable noun, it refers to a particular incident or event that has happened to a person. Remember, context is key when understanding the meaning of these nouns. Practicing with more examples is always a great idea. Here are a few more nouns for you to consider. 1. Time. As an uncountable noun, time refers to the ongoing sequence of events in the past, present, and future. But when we use time as a countable noun, it refers to an instance or a specific period in which something happens. 2. Glass. When we use glass as an uncountable noun, it refers to the hard, brittle material that windows or bottles are made of. But as a countable noun, a glass can refer to a container for drinking. 3. Hair. As an uncountable noun, hair refers to the collective mass on someone's head. But when we use hair as a countable noun, it refers to a single strand of that mass. Try to come up with your own sentences using these words as both countable and uncountable nouns. And there we have it. A fascinating look at how some nouns in English can be a bit of a chameleon, changing their meanings when they are countable and uncountable. Keep practicing and soon it will become second nature to you to spot these words and use them correctly. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep practicing your English.